Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep.
Oh, squirrel. I didn't want to get bit and have to go get a rabies shot today.
A rapey?
Yeah, if I got bit by the squirrel.
Rapey, not rapey.
Rabies.
You said rapey.
Shot.
Rapey.
Dork. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, you guys know the drill. If you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is. It super helps the channel out. I sound a little bit different today. I'm actually a little bit sick. Woke up, throat was just a little sore, probably from talking and singing this whole road trip. But anyways, I feel pretty good. Just a little bit of a rasp in my throat and a little bit stuffy, but for the most part, we're okay. We are actually traveling along the California coastline right now in an area called Big Sur. So hope you guys enjoyed the clips. CRV is handling amazing. We just took a little stretch break right now. We're gonna go check out the landscape. We can see Carmen over there. Let's go see what she's doing. Taking pictures. You see the sign that says caution snakes?
Where?
Over there. Oh yeah, we don't need to go over there. I don't know. I think there's some sort of cactus. Yeah, it's some sort of cactus. It's got little pricklies on it. Someone's been eating that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there could technically be snakes in this little. Alright guys, we just drove through Big Sur. It was a little bit narrower and longer than we thought it would be. It's a pretty sketchy drive, really. It's kind of like a place we have it back home at called Chuckanut Drive, except for even kind of more sketch. So anyways, we drove by this place called Vista Point, and a bunch of people over here, so we're trying to see what the commotion's about here.
We swore we saw some seals on it.
Yeah, looks like there's gonna be some sea lions. Oh wow, they're sleeping.
There's two playing over here. It's just a little bit windy.
That's awesome. Yeah, those were definitely bigger than like little sea otters or whatever. Those things were big.
And some were like slimy.
It's like they liked putting sand on themselves or something. They kept like flipping their fins up and like making sand on themselves.
The time of day that they just drop, right?
Yep.
Some beaching.
That's weird how they talk.
All right. These two playing in the water was cute.
Yeah. That was pretty cool. I'm sure it's probably like their home area or something.
Right, that's why.
So like
the video I got.
They have like a colony that's like right here or something. That's pretty cool. Those were big. I bet
that definitely made the Big Sur drive worth it. It was just that.
All right, guys, fast forward. We are in LA. Actually, we're not really quite all the way in LA. We're just outside of LA, right?
Yeah, Glendale.
Okay, yeah, we're in a town called Glendale. Seems like a pretty nice little town. We had to park in a parking garage across the street and then walk across the street. Seemed kind of stressful at first, but it was actually pretty simple once we did it. So anyways, we got settled into our hotel room that we're gonna be at for the next few days, and we are walking on down the little bit of a town that we see here. Looking for a place that we can catch some food, catch a drink, people watch, and get an attack plan as far as the rest of the trip. So here we go.
We should go drop it off.
Damn. 6x6. Maybe that place probably wouldn't even let me in there. It's so fancy. That doesn't look good at all. We don't like sushi. We like Mexican. Alright, this place seems like it's popping.
Yeah, let's go in here. At the bar, you want to sit at the table?
Never trust a 49-cent light bulb, guys. Always gotta look both ways. Cheapest thing on there was a $20 salad. This is basically a $15 Red Bull.
Oh, he just killed one. They like pop. Ugh. Gross.
Gosh. Alright guys, we just got back to the hotel. It was kind of a bust looking for food, but I guess I will survive until the morning. Anyways, it's getting kind of late, so we are just gonna call it a night. We're here in the room. Anyways, we are gonna get to bed because we want to get an early start and head to Hollywood in the morning. So anyways, like this video, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't.